Everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful granny square with a side-to-side corner. So, let's grab our yarn, pick up knot, chain 4, then at the very first chain, we will close it. Then we have a hole here, chain 4, then to this hole we will insert our hook here, making a 2 double crochet. Then 1 extended double crochet, then chain 4, then turn your work to here. This side we will make a 2 double crochet. You can insert your hook here, or if you want to here, but I want here, so I make it this side. Two double crochet. Then to this side we make again 2 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet. One extended, then chain 4 again, turn your work again to this side. We will insert in making a 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet. So make it. One extended, then we finish 3 row. You can count like this, 1 2 3, like this counting. Then to the 4th row, chain 4 again, turn your work. On this side we make 2 double crochet, here 3 double crochet, three double crochet, you can make it a bigger or a smaller if you want, but me now I will make only a normal size. Here 2 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet. You can make it a bigger if you want. 1 extended, then we have now 1 2 3 4 rows now, so we make again chain 4 for the 5th row. 1 2 3 4, turn your work again. Here we'll insert here, do double crochet, here 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, three double crochet, then here 2 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, then we have a 5th row. Now we're going to the 6th row, chain 4 again, turn your work and insert here again, 2 double crochet, three double crochet, three double crochet, three double crochet again, and 3 double crochet again, here is 2 double, here is 2 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet, now we are having a 6th row. We can count like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we are making an decreasing now, so chain 3, turn your work, we skip this side, and proceed this side, skip here and proceed here, making a 3 double crochet, again 3 double crochet, three double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and we can make here 1 extended double crochet. So let's proceed. Because we are decreasing, so as we do here, we're making a 3 chain, then skip. So here we will make a 1 extended double crochet only, chain 3 again, turn your work here, skip here, skip, proceed here, making a 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and the last side we will make a 1 extended double crochet only. One extended double crochet, chain 3, turn your work, skip here and proceed here, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 1 extended double crochet. Here 1 extended double crochet, then chain 3 again, turn your, skip here, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 1 extended double crochet. One extended double crochet, then again chain 3, turn your work, skip here, make here a 3 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet. We are nearly to finish this. One extended double crochet, then because no more here, so we will make a chain 1. To this we will make a double crochet only. So that's it, then chain 1, and we're done now, making a small granny square. So to make it a corner, so let's proceed again. I didn't cut. You can put, if you want to put another color here, it's okay. You can cut this axis, you can cut it here, then proceed to another color. But me, I will make the same color, so make it here. Then as you can see, we are having here a 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and chain 2. So to make it like this, so to make it corner to corner like this. So let's proceed. Chain 3, then make double crochet the same, and here make a 2 double crochet, double crochet, double crochet again, double crochet, so as you can see the corner is this side, so we will make the corner there. So again 2 double crochet, here we will make it here 2 double crochet a corner, then chain 2. The same side you make the same hole you make again 2 double crochet. We are making side now, then 2 double crochet, double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, double crochet, to here we will make a corner, so 2 double crochet, chain 2, make again 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then we have now a 2 corners, 2 sides. So again, make here 2 double crochet, double crochet, 2 double crochet again, double crochet, 2 double crochet. Then again we will make here a corner, so make a 2 double crochet, chain 2. You can chain 1 or chain 2, but I make it a chain 2. 2 double crochet again at the same stitch. Now we are having a 3 corner, 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 2 again here, the next stitch. Chain 2 here, here and here and here until we reach here. Chain 2 again. Now as you remember, we are making here a 2 double crochet, so we will make here a 2 double crochet at the same here for our 4th corner. Then chain 2. Then you count 1, 2 and the third side you will make it slip stitch. This is it, guys. You can close it. So this is it. Make it. You can make it bigger or as smaller as you want. So for increasing, as I can say before, you make the side for making a 2 double crochet and then proceed, then another side again. But when decreasing, we skip the side here and the side here, but make a 3 chain only. So if you like it, please don't forget to comment down which country you are watching now, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. Thank you so much and have a very nice day, everyone.